time to go. Sidley's gassed, geared, and ready to fly.
You're leaving already?
We've got another mission, Mater. Just stop by here to pick something up.
Something tells me you're not talking about souvenir bumper stickers.
Her Majesty asked for you personally, Mater.
But I told y'all before, I'm not a spy.
We know.
Spy or not, you're still the smartest, most honest chap we've ever met.
Don't forget massively charming.
Well, thanks. But as much fun as it was hanging with y'all, this is home.
That's all right, we understand. But I'll be back. You still owe me that first date.
If there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
Well, I sure appreciate that, thank you. Actually, there is one thing.
Whoa, it's coming down! Woo!